Hello everyone, I'm Twinkle Sharma helping you to crack Microsoft certification. So today our topic is Zero Trust Model of AZ900 Fundamentals. The Zero Trust Model is a security framework that assumes no user or device should be trusted by default even if they are inside the corporate network. Instead of relying on a secure perimeter, Zero Trust enforces continuous verification, least privilege access, and real time threat protection. Never trust, always verify. Zero Trust is a modern cybersecurity approach designed to minimize risk from internal and external threats, protect cloud, hybrid, or on premises environment, enforce strict identity verification, device compliance, and context aware policies. Then we have the core principles of zero trust. Verify explicitly. Always authenticate and authorize based on identity, device health, location, risk, etc. Use least privilege access. Grant only the minimum permissions needed and just in time where possible. Assume breach. Act as if attackers are already inside. Contain and monitor every access point. Then we have the adjusting to zero trust. Secure assets where they are with the zero trust. Simplify security and make it more protective. Classic approach. Res- Restrict everything to secure network. Whereas zero trust protect assets anywhere with the central policies. All the assets have their own closing loops. So, defense in depth. The objective of defense in depth is to protect information and prevent it from being stolen by those who are not authorized to access it. A defense in depth strategy uses a series of mechanisms to slow the advance of an attack that aims at acquiring unauthorized access to data. Then we have the layers of defense in depth. So first we have the layer is data. Then application, compute, network, perimeter, identity, access where the physical security. We can say this starting from this also. So main is the data. Then we have the application, compute. This is defense in depth. So the Microsoft defense in depth model is a physical security is first. So protects data centers with guards, access control, video surveillance managed by Microsoft for Azure infrastructures. Then we have the perimeter security firewalls, which we can Azure firewall. Also, you have listened about the Palo Alto Fortinet firewalls and the next generation's firewalls, Cisco SA checkpoint. So this is a parameter for the security. The DDoS solutions is a DDoS protections, network segmentations, and traffic filtering. Then we have the network security groups, NSGs. So private endpoints and VNet peering is a bastion for secure VM access, virtual machine access. Then we have the compute security, anti-malware endpoint detection and response EDR with Microsoft Defender or for endpoint or patch management and secure VM configuration, the virtual machine configuration, trusted launch and disk encryption. Then we have the Microsoft Defense in depth model Azure of the application security layer. Web application security layer, which is the application firewall with Azure Application Gateway, secure DevOps, code scanning, dependency checks, API management and security testing, identity and access management, Microsoft Entra ID, Azure Active Directory, that is multi-factor authentication, conditional access, privileged identity management, PIM, data security. Then we have the layer data security, data classification, labeling, and encryption, data Azure information protection, database threat detection and backup policies, Azure Key Vault for secrets and keys. Then we have the layer monitoring and threat detection, Microsoft Defender for cloud, Microsoft Sentinel, Siemens or activity logs and alerts. Then we have the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. What is Microsoft Defender for Cloud? It is a cloud native security platform, CSPM plus CWP, that helps you protect, detect, and respond to threats across your Azure hybrid and multi-cloud environment, including AWS or GCP, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platforms. It provides security posture management, threat detection, and protection for workloads like virtual machines, containers, databases, and more. Protection everywhere you are deployed. Azure native protections defend your hybrid resources, defend resources running on other clouds, assesses, secure and defend, continuously assesses. This is the continuously assessing. Know your security posture, identify and track vulnerabilities. Secure, harden resources and services with Azure Security Benchmark. Defend, detect, and resolve threats to resources, workloads, and services. Then we have the secure score, which is here. You can see recommendations to resource health, and the unhealthy resources potential score increases controls. Then we have the defend. The first two areas were focused on assessing, monitoring, and maintaining your environment. Defender for cloud also helps you defend your environment by providing security alerts and advanced threat protection features. Security alerts, advanced threat protection. So, today we have ended up the core Azure services. Thank you for today. Bye bye.